The Joint Action Committee, consisting of teachers, non-teaching staff and students from North Eastern Hill University, have called off the indefinite protest after a meeting with Vice-Chancellor Professor P.S. Shukla to discuss the former's 9th-point charter of demands. The indefinite protest was continuing since November 13th. JAC Chairman Professor Lakhon Kumar stated that the committee resolved to end the protest while maintaining their demands. The decision aims to ensure the resumption of regular classes in the university.
It was long pending because we wanted a solution to all our pending or charter of demands. Happy to say that I think this meeting has been successful. And why I say so, probably since that person is out for last more than 15 days, his service is not required in NEHU anymore. And VC will initiate necessary action to end the process and put a full stop. That is one. Now, coming to the immediate appointment of the statutory officers, already between 20th to 25th is the date, 22nd November is the date that VC has, which of course came in the press. He said the appointments of these will be done, which means the selection committee is going to sit on these days, which is also okay because that was also our immediate demand.